In this video, we're going to be showing you how to use OdoBan concentrate in your washing machine to freshen and soften your laundry and eliminate the toughest laundry odors without damaging your soft fabrics. OdoBan concentrate also removes static cling and is a great alternative to traditional fabric softeners. Hi, I'm Dave the Chemist, Technical Director at OdoBan. Now, if you love OdoBan, or you just like free, fun, helpful cleaning content, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel right now and ring the little bell icon. That way you know every time we put up great new cleaning videos. Your subscription really helps us out a lot and we greatly appreciate it. So let's get started. Now maybe you've used OdoBan around your house for years to clean and freshen and disinfect, but you've never used it in your washing machine. Or maybe you've never used OdoBan at all, but you want to take your laundry game to the next level. Either way, this video is going to show you how to use our concentrated OdoBan in your washing machine to freshen and soften your laundry, to eliminate those tough laundry odors, and to remove static cling, all without additional fabric softeners or additives. If you know OdoBan, you know that we are known for our fresh scents. And OdoBan concentrate is available in a wide variety of fragrances. Now today I'm using our original eucalyptus. This unique fragrance is inspired by a blend of wildflowers and botanicals that have an odor eliminating history going back thousands of years. Another popular fragrance for laundry is our fresh linen. This leaves a great, fresh, light scent that's fantastic on fabric. You'll see links for both of those in the description below. Now in our other videos on the YouTube channel, we've shown you a ton of different ways to use OdoBan, like mixing a cost-effective hard surface disinfectant right there at home. Now there'll be links to those videos at the end. So let's talk about what you need to make your laundry the freshest ever using OdoBan concentrate. You're gonna need a measuring cup, of course. You're gonna need OdoBan concentrate in the fragrance of your choice. You're gonna need dirty laundry. And unless you've gone full pioneer, you're gonna need a washing machine. Now before we get started, here are just a few safety reminders. Never mix OdoBan with any other cleaning product. Never reuse your measuring cup for food or drink after you've used it for OdoBan, and always follow the use directions on the label. Using OdoBan concentrate in your laundry is actually one of the simplest ways to use it at all. Simply add 1 cup, that's 8 ounces, of OdoBan concentrate to the final rinse cycle of your washing machine. Now adding it at the final rinse means it's after the detergent has already done its job, so you really maximize the freshening power of your OdoBan. In fact, for maximum effectiveness, that's why we don't recommend adding it at the same time as the detergent. Now you can pour that 8 ounces directly into the final rinse cycle. But if your washing machine has an automatic softener dispenser, and most do, I find that is a lot easier. Simply add the OdoBan concentrate to that dispenser at the same time you're loading your laundry, and it takes care of everything automatically. That is fresh! And not only does it smell great, it's soft and it's static free too, thanks to OdoBan. Now laundry is just one of the great ways to use OdoBan concentrate. Check out the chart on our label or our website to find all of the ways to mix and use OdoBan. In fact, we want to hear from you. What is your favorite way to use OdoBan? Tell us about it in the comments right now. Before you go, here are a few more helpful videos you should definitely check out. And if you like this video and want more of the best fun, free cleaning tips and how-tos, be sure to hit that subscribe button and then click the little bell icon so you'll always know whenever we post a new video.